I'll show you clear pictures, teach you how to pronounce each word correctly, and give you simple example sentences so you can start using them right away. Let's start. Knife, fork, spoon. Our indispensable helpers. Knife can be for butter, salad, entree, and fish. Also look at the types of forks. They are dessert fork, fish fork, entree, salad, and oyster forks. And what about spoons we know? Dessert spoon, soup spoon, tablespoon, and teaspoon. Which we use for tea and coffee. I cut the steak with a sharp knife. She is eating pasta with a fork. He needs a spoon for the soup. Chef's knife. Cutting board. Peeler. Professional chefs always use a chef's knife. Put the vegetables on the cutting board before chopping. Use a peeler to remove the potato skin quickly. Mixing bowl. Whisk. Wooden spoon. Put all the ingredients in a large mixing bowl. Whisk the eggs until they become fluffy. Stir the sauce with a wooden spoon so it doesn't scratch the pan. Saucepan, frying pan or skillet. Stock pot. Boil the pasta in a saucepan. Fry the eggs in a non-stick frying pan. She makes chicken soup in a big stock pot. Measuring cups, measuring spoons. I need a half a cup of sugar. Let me use the measuring cups. Add 1 teaspoon of salt using the measuring spoons. Spatula, tongs, ladle. Flip the pancakes with a spatula. Use tongs to turn the meat on the grill. Serve the soup with a ladle. Rolling pin, baking sheet or tray. Oven mitts. Roll out the dough with a rolling pin. Place the cookies on a baking sheet. Wear oven mitts when you take the hot tray out of the oven. Colander, strainer, sieve. Drain the pasta in a colander. Use a strainer to remove the lumps from the sauce. Grater, zester. Grate the cheese with a grater. Use a zester to get lemon zest for the cake. Chopsticks. A 2 thin sticks used in Asian cuisine. I eat sushi with chopsticks. When we talk about plates in the kitchen or on the table, there are many different types. Plates are a key part of tableware. Here are some common kinds with examples and pictures. Dinner plate, also called main plate. It's the largest plate, used for the main course. Put your steak and vegetables on a dinner plate. Salad plate is a smaller plate for salads or appetizers. Serve a fresh green salad on a salad plate. Dessert plate even smaller, perfect for cake, pie, or sweets. Enjoy chocolate cake on a dessert plate. Bread and butter plate or side plate. A very small plate for bread, rolls, or butter. Place a slice of bread on the bread and butter plate. Charger plate or service plate. A large decorative plate placed under other plates for fancy tables. It's not for eating directly. Use a gold charger plate to make the table look elegant. soup plate or deep plate. A plate with higher edges for soup or pasta. Eat creamy tomato soup from a soup plate. Bowls are also plates. They come in many shapes and sizes for different purposes, like eating, serving, or cooking. Cereal bowl, a medium-sized bowl, perfect for breakfast. Cereal or snacks, eat cereal in a breakfast bowl. Soup bowl, a deeper bowl with higher sides to hold hot liquids without spilling. Hot soup goes in a deep soup bowl. Salad bowl, a wide, shallow bowl for tossing and serving salads, often wooden or large glass. Toss fresh greens in a large salad bowl. Rice bowl or small bowl, a smaller bowl often used in Asian cuisine for rice or side dishes. Serve steamed rice in a small rice bowl. Cup, mug, and teacup. Great vocabulary for talking about drinks in English. These are common items for hot beverages like tea or coffee, and what the difference is between them. Cup, a general word for a small container with a handle, often used with a saucer for tea or coffee. It's more formal and delicate. Drink hot tea from a cup and saucer. Mug, a larger, sturdier cup, usually without a saucer with a big handle. Perfect for coffee, hot chocolate, or big drinks. It's casual and holds more liquid. I drink my morning coffee from a big mug. Teacup, a small, elegant cup specifically for tea, almost always with a matching saucer. It's fancy and often made of fine porcelain. A small teacup is perfect for afternoon tea. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Let's learn English easier.